Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by targeting the right scope, app, activity, or fragment because the implementation differs slightly. Make sure your project uses Android X and App Compat or Material themes. Once done, pick the status bar color and whether icons should be light or dark for contrast. Now open Styles, XML and Colors. XML so you can modify theme attributes, keep values night. XML handy for dark mode. Next, we'll show the first code, changes in styles and manifest to enable drawing system bars. Now change the theme attributes. Set Android, status bar color and styles. XML or use a color surface variant for material systems so the color adapts. In your activity, call window compat. Set decor fit system windows, false if you want edge-to-edge drawing, otherwise keep default. Then use window insets controller compat, window, decor view. Set appearance light status bars, true when you need dark icons, or false for light icons. Make these calls in on create after set content view, so the window is available and consistent across configurations. Finish by applying per activity overrides when needed. Set window. Status bar color and code, or use a theme overlay on that activity. Once done, handle runtime theme switches by reapplying appearance, light status bars, and status bar color in on resume or on configuration changed so changes persist. Make sure to guard APIs by SDK checks for pre-M and Android 12 differences. Use fallback dark or light contrasting colors when the platform behavior varies. Troubleshooting tip. If changes don't show, check translucent navigation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.